Alright, today I am doing a 20-inch print on a 21.5-inch bandana using screens I have, using 23 by 31s, the automatics, and because it's a 20-inch print, my manuals won't work. So I've been asked several times, hey, what's your setup on this? So let's walk you through that. This is normal bracket. Normal bracket, you have 4 screws, that's your surface area. It's not going to work for a big, I'm using a 30 by 24 board. That is just a weak area. So what I use the Bison Platen system. It is a bracket bolted to a base plate. What the base plate does, it's got several mounting holes. It holds your board down flat, and what it does is it extends your surface area from this little area all the way out to here. And once you've got it, tightened to your arm, you've extended your support all the way out to here. This is solid. It's like one with your machine. It's amazing. It's a game changer. See my board. This is that 30 by 24 inch board. This is my standard bandana board. And what I put on here, we're going to go through the setup here in a minute, but I just want to show you, this is my foundation. I can print a 5-color bandana, perfect registration. These are 21s. These are standard bandanas. I do bigger ones as well. But you'll see, there's that. And I will print this side with one screen, then I'll flash it and do this side, then I am done. I do this all the time. But you see, these boards, they're rigid. There's like minimal to no deflection. So my design is going to be, butt cut, because I've got to go through this intricate design you'll see here in a minute, and it's got to be right on. So stick around. We're going to get printing. I'm going to show you how it's done. This is how I do it all the time. And I probably do bandanas a couple times a month. So I just want to show you my process, and we'll go from there. Stick around. Alright, I'm bringing in close. This is the artwork. So I've got it, you see I've got it tiled, I've got it split up between 2 sections. It's actually a little bit bigger than a 22-inch bandana, and the artwork is 20 inches from top to bottom. So this will be redoing, so I will print this side, then I'll print this side. So I will print and flash, come back and print this and run it the dryer, and it will be done. I've got my guides, and but yeah, as soon as the screen's dry, we'll get this going. But I want to walk you through or show you, this is how we prepare the artwork for going on screen. Alright, I've got the artwork set up. I went and I set my guides. I've set my center marks, where to put the artwork. So I got it here to line up, so I'm centered. This is where it's going to place, and so here's my screen. This is a 23 by 31. Look at this. Look how easy this is. This is just using screens I already have. And so this here will print the first hit. I'll flash it. I've got an 18 by 24 flash. It's going to easily cover this. And then here's my second one. Look how it's going to go real easy. And so we're going to set up here in a minute. But I did want to touch on the equipment. So I use a Hopkins BWM press. I've been printing for 30 years. And I've probably worked on almost every press out there, and I have 2 of these, and I chose this press, this brand specifically because I do custom printing, and I can do anything on these presses. And there's a lot of presses out there that I think are challenged to do custom work on, so I chose this one. And I do use back clamps, as you can see here. The side clamps I think are restrictive to like here. I couldn't use the side clamp on this one, so that's just, I'm just partially, biased to the back clamp, because for custom printing I think it's more versatile. So now we'll move on to printing, and I'll put ink in here and we'll get going to show you. Alright, here we go. We're going to be printing. This is the first one. I'm going to just take you along with me as I just do the first one. Sprayed adhesive down. Wow. There we go. There it is. You see, first hit. Oops. Come on. There we go. Look at that. Flash it. I preheat the board, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. right? And here's the second hit. There you go. Look at that. Bandana's done. So I just want to show you that's what it is.